A baby chick is blank with soft feathers. What is a baby chick? A baby chick is blank with soft feathers. Kaden, what do you think?
Offspring.
A baby chick is offspring with soft feathers? No, I don't think that makes the most sense. Libby? The baby chick is groomed with soft feathers?
No.
Rain?
Alive.
The baby chick is alive with soft feathers? Tyson?
Oh, this one's easy. Tyson.
Did you forget?
Covered.
Covered. A baby chick is covered with soft feathers. So, remember guys, when you are doing these on your own, put the words in and see if it makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, then try a new word. Is it okay to skip it and come back to it if you don't know right away?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, number 2. It says some blank look a lot like their parents. I'm going to give you guys a chance to think. Some blank look a lot like their parents.
I found an ED and covered.
Hurt them, we're not shouting. Libby, what do you think goes there? Well, some adults look like their parents. Well, I don't think that's the best fit. Yeah, I'm an adult and I probably look like my mom and dad a little bit. But I don't think it's adults. Elias, what do you think it is?
Some mammals?
Some mammals, they might look like their parents, but I don't think that's the best choice.
He said offspring.
So she first said mammals, that's not right. Elias, do you think you know what it is? Some offspring look a lot like their parents. So just like you guys are offspring of your parents. And a lot of you, when I look at you, I can kind of see how you look like your mom and or your dad. Sometimes you look like more your mom, or sometimes you look like more like your dad. Sometimes you look like both, and sometimes you really don't look like either one.
I look like my brother. I don't look like their I look like my dad.
Okay, number 3. Whales are blank sea animals. Whales are blank sea animals. What do you think that could be? What do you think?
Giant.
I would agree. They are giant sea animals. So number 3 would be giant. Okay, we're going to do one more together. The number 4 says, a cat will blank itself to stay clean. So what will a cat do to keep itself clean? Corla, what do you think? A cat will fur itself to stay clean?
No.
Does that make sense, Corla? No, good try though. Riley?
Girl.
Groom. A cat will groom itself to stay clean. What, Douglas?
Can I show you? There's in covered there's ED and springs
when you get to the blank, I want you to say blank. So put your finger on A, and we're going to read this sentence together. Ready? A horse is a blank because it feeds its baby's mouth. So a horse is a blank because it feeds its baby mouth. Is it mammal, fur, adult, or alive? You fill in the one you think it is. And then maybe circle it so that you don't use it. And if you don't know it, is it okay to skip it and come back to it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you don't know it, like I think Aria, maybe you don't know it right now, it's okay. Skip it, we'll come back to it. All right, when you're ready, put your finger on number 6. It says a foxes. We just read it twice. Where were you? Were you doing it with us? Okay, we'll come back to it because we've already done it twice. We'll do it again in a minute, but let's move on because your friends are ready to move on. So we're going to go to number 6. Okay, everybody ready? Let's read it together. Ready?
A fox's blank
coat helps to keep it warm. A fox's blank coat helps to keep it warm. So is it a fox's mammal, fur, adult, or alive? We're on number 6, person. A fox's what? Okay, when you're ready, put your finger on number 7 where it says some. I think you wanted to put that one down here. Right? All right, let's read number 7 all together. Ready? Some baby animals need to be cared for by an blank. So some baby animals need to be cared for by an mammal, fur, adult, alive. Okay, and the last one. Let's read it all together. Put your finger on number 8 where it says animals. Here you go, ready?
Animals